Ah, the feeling of success. The smell of a new era, you've got to love it when it works. Finally. Buckle up for the greatest shape of your life, even beyond the invisible. Do you hear the rumble? Better get ready, it is about to erupt. Oh my, we're about to shake up the internet. Thank you. Thank you Onpassive staff, teams, management, founders, leaders, and family. Hard work pays off. I can visualize your face when you look into your loved one's eyes and say, "We did it." I know I will be saying, "I told you," a lot. This morning I heard another, finally, my response. It's about time. Well, it is time. Total freedom. Mr. Mufareh, United States. Bill Must Production.